Activating FaceTime on your iPhone allows you to make video and audio calls to other Apple users easily. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with solutions to get FaceTime up and running on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to access the control center. Ensure that Wi-Fi or cellular data is enabled. Open a browser and visit a website to verify your internet connection is stable. If you have unstable internet, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, turn it off, or you can switch your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Enable FaceTime in settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap on FaceTime. Toggle the switch to turn FaceTime on. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure that your FaceTime is activated with phone number or Apple ID. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to activate FaceTime on your phone and start making video and audio calls. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.